Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I absolutely love fall baking, but who always has the time for that? Enter these Lazy Bake baking mixes. I received the Dillapeño beer bread and chai cookie mixes, and they were both so delicious. Not only that, but they were incredibly fast and easy to put together. The bread especially was a snap to make. All I had to do was pour in a can of club soda in with the mix, and it was ready to bake. I was really impressed by how it turned out. It cut really nicely, and the texture was so soft. I found it super yummy with a little bit of butter on it, fresh out of the oven, and it was also great for sandwiches the next day. The chai cookies are perfectly spiced. They are just right for those cozy fall vibes. Just like the bread, they came together with hardly any effort at all, and the smell of those cookies baking just filled up my whole house. I love the convenience and speed of having these mixes on hand. They require very few ingredients, and the ingredients that they do require are things that I often have on hand anyway. I really enjoyed preparing and eating both of these baking mixes. I wouldn't hesitate to try any of their other mixes too. But that's just my point of view.